Hello everyone, my name is Rafael Abuelo and I'm from Creative Computing Year 2 and today I will be presenting my project for Code Labs 2 which is a data-driven application. So for this application, I have chosen to use a API and create a movie finder application. So I'm going to be showing first I'm going to be showing the program itself and then I'm going to be explaining the code. So this is the main menu. This is what the user will first see when they launch the application. So it says here, welcome to the Movie Finder application created by me. And click the menu icon on the top left of the screen to navigate the app. So this is the menu icon right here. So once the user clicks it, it will show three options: the home, which is this one, the screen we are on right now; the movies, which launches the main app; and details. So let's go for details first. So here it just shows what the app is about. So this is a movie finding app where you can find the details, descriptions, and synopsis of just about every film ever released. The app uses the TMDB API to access the movie database online. So TMDB is the database API. So app created by me, Baspa University, creative. So all my details there. And so let's launch the main movie finder app. So as you can see, once the user clicks on that, it shows this window where you can find movies. So up here is the title of the app, and here is the search bar. Um, here is like a guide to the user if they don't know how to use the app. So let's search for example, let's search the Fallout movie. And as you can see here, it shows the movie description, the movie details, which has the full name of the movie, the release date, the language, the rating, and the movie ID uh, in the TMDB database. And on the right side, we can see the movie poster. So there's two buttons here. As you can see, it says up here that this is the first result out of 10 results. So if you click the next button here, it shows the next movie that has a similar name. So as you can see, this one has a name of The Fallout Volume 1. So maybe that's what the user is looking for, so they can scroll through the app to find that movie. And if there is no movie poster available, it shows this photo right here, which says the movie poster is not yet available. And as you can see, for the next movie, the poster is available. And let's try another example. Let's try Doctor Strange. As you can see, it works for just about every movie you can think of. So yeah, that's the main application. We can exit out of here and go back to the home page. And yeah, so that's the program itself. Now I'm gonna be explaining the code and how I created the app basically. So before I show you the main file which runs the whole program, there's actually a second file here, which is the movie data that py. So for this file, I just created two functions here. So as you can see, I called the API key and I requested a session from the TMDB API from here. And I made a class which contains all the movie details that the app will be needing. So the first function that I created is download underscore img function, which requests the poster of the movie from the API once the user enters a movie name. So it takes the URL and basically uses the link provided by the API. And here I just customize how the poster image will look like. And for the next function, it's the get movie data function, and I use this one to insert the the details that the application will output, such as the title, the language, the ID, the rating, and release date. So yeah, I use these two functions on the main file here, so it's easier for me to work with the program. So now let's move on to the main file. So here's the modules that I used. I created a tkinter window, and I requested another session from the tmdb API and inserted my API key. So basically what happens here is um, the application takes the data from the API and it inserts it um, onto this program, and I use tkinter in order to output the data to the user. So okay, so first here, this is the function for the home screen, the one that the user will see once they first launch the app. So that's for that. And this is another function for the home screen, because if the user uses the sidebar and they went, for example, so for example here they went to the details page here, and they want to go back to the home screen, that's what this function is for. And next is the main. So this main function right here, this is for the movie section, basically. So it includes everything that the movie app needs. So I'll be explaining that now. So here, this function is for deleting previous information. So if the user enters a movie and they enter another movie, the first movie that they entered will need to be deleted. So we get rid of the cache from that. And the search title is for the text which says searching for movies. Next here is the function for the next button, and as well as the previous movie button. So to display the movies, so first here, as you can see, it uses the function from the other file, the download image function from the other file, and I insert the link here with its unique movie ID, so that the movie poster will be downloaded from the API. So I do the same for the details. I insert it through the function from the other file. And here I just customize all the boxes and everything. Um, and this function here, the next function is for the details tab, which is this one. Again, I made a function for that. And this toggle underscore win function is for the sidebar. And as you can see here, I created 3 buttons, and I directed all 3 of them to the different respective functions. Yeah, so that's basically it. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you understand everything I said, and have a good day.